vanaf lihat. Come on me with a journey, on a journey. We're gonna compose a song. Okay, and I already put up the first line. Ko whi mawehanga tawa ma Lupe. Okay, so this is how I do it. It sounds kind of geekish at first, right, when you try and put a song together, but the more you play it, the more you get better at it, and the song comes together. So I'm going to start off at a sort of a geekish chord anyway. Okay, so I'm going to start off. Ko whi hatawa mawehanga Lupe. Try and get that little island beat in there, you know. Ko whi hatawa mawehanga Lupe. Something like that to begin with. Now you put the next line in. Yeah? Okay, you just keep trying and trying. I've played around with that intro a little bit, of course, but till we get the next line in, okay, I'll take you next step further. Okay, whauile. Yeah.